How to install N8N on Windows 11. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install N8N on Windows 11.
So to get started, try installing Node.js from the official website, ensuring you include npm during the installation. Once installed, open the command prompt or PowerShell and verify the installation by running node-v and npm-v. Next, install N8N globally by executing npm install -n8n-g. After the installation completes, you can start N8N by typing N8N in the command line. This action will launch N8N and you can access the interface by navigating to http://localhost 5678 in your web browser. To keep N8N running continuously, consider using a process manager like PM2, which can be installed with npm install pm2-g. Start N8N with PM2 Start N8N to ensure it remains active even after closing the terminal. For enhanced functionality, you might want to set up a reverse proxy using software like Nginx and secure your setup with SSL certificates if you plan to access N8N remotely. And that's how you install N8N on Windows 11.